Hey guys, it's your girl Wella Novee. So in today's video, I'm just gonna share my experience with some fragrances with you guys today. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It's your girl Wella Novee. I'm just so excited. So yeah, we're just gonna dive right into today's video. The first fragrance that I'm gonna be getting into is Dossier. So now I have two from Dossier. So there are a lot of brands out there like Tom Ford and Killian and YSL and all these brands. They create an amazing line of fragrances and colognes, but they are on the pricey side, okay? And what I love about Dossier is the fact that they give you a lot of luxurious smelling scents at an affordable price, okay? And I am all about that experience. I feel like luxury should be an affordable experience. So the fact that they capture that with their brand, I am so for that. I'm all for that, okay? So the first one that I'm gonna get into is, this is the the Floral Berries, and this is the 50 milliliter. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is inspired by the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. Now, I haven't really gotten a chance to share it on my channel, but the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede is like, when I say my favorite, my go-to. I spray it when I'm going to the gym. I spray it when I'm at the grocery store. I spray it car wash. I spray it, you know, I sneeze, I spray it. I know that Jo Malone smell like the back of my hand. So I'm really curious to see how it compares and if they are really giving you what they say they're giving you for an affordable price. So that's what I'm here to figure out and share with you guys today. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I am for the bottle. The bottle doesn't feel cheap. It is a glass bottle. I love the packaging, super cute. Now, I just got finished telling you guys that I love that Jo Malone Peony, Blush, and Suede. That is literally my favorite. I spray it all day, every day on every single thing, okay? And right away, when I took this cap off, I am smelling Peony, Blush, and Suede. This is called Floral Berries. Wow, so let's see. Oh, oh my gosh. I don't want to say it's better. I don't want to say it's better. I don't want to say it is better. Oh my gosh, I fell in love. I am in love. I am definitely smelling, the peony. I'm smelling the red apples, the berry, the jasmine, the rose. Like, let me tell y'all something. Dossier did not come to play, okay? And again, this is the this is inspired by Jo Malone Peony, Blush, and Suede. I'm not even exaggerating. This is unbelievable. A little spooky. This is unbelievable. It smells amazing. You need this Floral Berries. You will not be disappointed. Oh my goodness. The next fragrance that I have from Dossier is, this is Floral Marshmallow. And again, it just says iconic scents, designer quality, no markup. Okay, I like the packaging, y'all. The packaging is super cute. All right, so Floral Marshmallow. The notes are, let's see, top notes: marshmallow, bergamot. Middle notes: orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, Orris. Base notes: amber, vanilla, and musk. And this is inspired by Killian Love Don't Be Shy perfume. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I smelled the marshmallow. That's unbelievable. Oh my gosh. I literally smelled the marshmallow. Oh my gosh, it smells really, really good. It smells really sweet. Like if you've ever opened up a bag full of marshmallows and just smelled it. Wow, this is exactly what it smells like. Wow. So I definitely I'm smelling the orange. I'm smelling the marshmallow, honeysuckle for sure. I'm sensing that amber. Like, oh my gosh, like this is amazing. Like guys, you heard it here first, okay? Dossier has luxurious fragrances at affordable prices. Like this literally makes no sense to me. I don't know how they did this, how they cultivated, formulated. I don't know what they did in the lab, but they did it for us, okay? I am genuinely impressed. Like OMG, I cannot wait to go on the website. I need more, I need more, I need more. Spring is right around the corner. Summer is a few blocks away. Like we literally need to, ladies, we need to make sure that when that season changed, the weather changed, the new year came, that we have some fresh and new scents that's just going to inspire us and elevate us to that next level of boss ladiness, okay? So the next one, fragrance that I wanted to share with you guys is, this is the Burberry. Now, I love the fact that it has this right here, like this ribbon. It has like a ribbon on it, which I can appreciate. It kind of reminds me of like a trench coat, a trench jacket. And I believe this is what is the inspiration behind this fragrance. It's like Paris, a rainy day in Paris, trench jacket. I believe that's the inspiration, because when I smell this fragrance, this is what I get. I get trench, I get springtime in Paris, I get rain, but just bossed up, if that makes sense, okay? So I love the top on the back of my hand, and oh my gosh. It smells so good. It's like, it's so subtle, it's so soft, yet it's so fragrant. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It smells so clean. I'm getting like the color white. I'm getting like white, crispy white top with like some denim. Like, oh my gosh. It smells sweet and floral at the same time. Like when I say no disappointments, but when you're talking about classic, like your first Burberry perfume needs to be my Burberry. It's just sweet, it's floral, it smells amazing. You can wear it through winter, you can wear it through spring, summer. It's just an amazing fragrance, an amazing scent that every woman, I feel like every woman should have. All right guys, so the next and final fragrance that I wanted to share with you guys is this Jimmy Choo Fever. When I say, let me just open this. Okay, so now we're going to, oh, I can smell it from the top. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It just smells like berries. It just smells so sweet. But it has that musk scent to it as well. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I almost can't even breathe. It smells amazing. Like when I say hands down my favorite Jimmy Choo perfume. If you are indecisive about which way to go with Jimmy Choo perfume, it's either this or Illicit. The Jimmy Choo Illicit. I have that up there. So my Jimmy Choo Illicit or Jimmy Choo Fever. This right here, it smells amazing. You're talking about summertime, springtime scent, but summertime just booming. Like this right here, like OMG guys, it smells amazing. Like when I say you will not be disappointed, like I promise you, just go to your nearest Ulta or Sephora or Nordstrom's and just go and check it out. Just smell a sample of it and you will be like, you gonna comment and say, Wella, you told me. I'm telling you, it smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. And I feel like the Jimmy Choo and the Dossier, the Floral Marshmallow, I feel like these two will go perfectly together. Like, oh my gosh, you're talking about layering your scents. You can all these two together. Oh my gosh, because it's like it's just meshing into one on this side of my hands over here, and then over here where I have the Floral Berries and the My Burberry, is just happening over here. Oh my gosh, when I say, guys, no disappointments. Like, you have to trust me, okay? Trust me. You don't gotta purchase it if you don't want to. Go and smell it and then let me know what you think after you purchase it, because once you smell it, you're not going back from there. Like, OMG, guys. So those are my scents that I wanted to share with you guys. The must-have scents for spring, for summer, even in winter time, but spring is coming up, summertime is coming up. These are the scents that you need, guys. Like, OMG. It's your girl, Wella Novee. Thank you guys so much for tuning back to my channel today. OMG, I had so much fun sharing these scents with you guys. Please leave your comments down below if you've ever had any, if you have any questions. Yeah, I'm just so excited. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. It's your girl, Wella Novee.